Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of Jodoo's most powerful features for data management, related fields. If you want to achieve convenient data reference, management, and maintenance between the two forms, this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. Jodoo offers flexible ways to manage data relationships across forms, such as Lookup Field and Related Form Field. These tools help you link data records, automate updates, and keep everything organized no matter how complex your business processes are. First up, the Lookup Field. The Lookup Field is a special field type that allows you to establish relationships between data records, either across different forms or within the same form. Through Lookup Fields, you can link related data, making data management, querying, and maintenance more efficient and structured. You might be wondering, the Select Data field can also establish a relationship between forms. Then what are the differences between them? Well, Select Data field allows data from one form to be filled into another without affecting the original form. The data flows from one form to another without synchronization. This is a one-way relationship. Any changes in the order form won't affect the customer form, and vice versa. For example, when creating a purchase order, customer information is added as basic data and linked to the order form. However, this doesn't change the customer information form. If you check a customer's data, you won't see the newly added purchase order. Lookup Field, on the other hand, is an advanced tool that creates a two-way relationship between forms. When you link an order to a customer using a lookup field, any updates or new orders will automatically show up in the customer's record. This means your data stays synchronized in real time, making it easier to track relationships and perform aggregate calculations. For example, when adding order data and associating it with a customer, the order information will appear in the customer form, ensuring real-time synchronization between the two forms. Usually, related form data is displayed as tabs. But what if you want to show related data directly inside your master form without switching tabs? That's where the Related Form field comes in. Let's take a look at how this works in Jodoo. First, in your customer information form, simply add a Related Form field. Configure it to link to your order form. Let's see how it works in action. We click on a customer record. Instantly, you'll see order details displayed right within the customer form. No need to switch tabs or search elsewhere. And there's even more. With the Related Form field, you can edit, import, and export related data, and you can add both master form and related form data together, making your workflow even smoother. Related fields help you keep everything connected, up to date, and easy to access all in one place. So, whether you're building a simple CRM or a complex process automation app, Jodoo's Lookup and Related Form fields give you the tools to create truly dynamic and responsive data relationships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Got questions or want to see more examples? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.